I love that. Organize your rein again. Shorten your rein. Leg. You're training again. Come on. Come on. Keep it. Look. Organize your rein. Keep your leg. Keep your leg. Look through the turn. Go forward. 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 Come on. That's the canter I want. Okay. Do that course with that canter again. Okay. Come on. Keep it. Shorten your reins up a little bit so they're out in front of you. Organize your rein. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. There you go. Now you're not going to get cycle. Box it up just a tad. Just a tad. Whoop. Organize your rein. Turn right. Leg. Forward. 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 20. Now you may walk. Patience, patience. Organize yourself. Make sure that chin stays off that neck. Might be a little spooky with the wall. Good. Let your hand, shorten your rein. No wagging that head. Shoulder. Organize your rein and then go somewhere. Round. Great. Body control. Body control. Kind of loud. Shorten your reins as you're going. Now box it up just enough. Box it up just enough. Not a big distance. Not a big distance. Good. Let's do the in and out again. Guide a little right. Shoulder. Shoulder. Very good. That base jump. Also about organizing the rein, back it up with your leg.
Yeah.
Your thing is you want to land and you get them,
Yeah.
but then you don't go anywhere.
Right.
So then you're happy, but then our clock's just going tick, tick, tick.
Yeah.
The problem is you don't have jump off, so that's the part that's not gotten you to get out of that part.
Yeah.
Know where you need to organize the slope of the ring,
Yeah.
and just keep saying to yourself, it's not snap back,
Right.
but you want to be slow. So you want to, that's ugly,
Yeah.
but you want to be a little slow with your upper body. Think about your core, so she jumps up to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes I feel like I don't have enough.
Whoop. Whoop. Excellent. Organize your rein. Look over your shoulder. Perfect.
Yeah.
This is the one that we have to learn. He's got to have pass in.
Yeah.
He's got to push up. I, as a rider, close my fingers a little bit. With the waves being in the middle, it's their perception.
Yeah, sure.
See if we learned a lesson. Just the in and out.
Okay.
I love the 4. Even though you had like a little rub, it was a good rub. Do not. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
But you're schooling area ride.
Yeah.
You never touch the reins.
Yeah. You just let them get up there.
And you
Yeah.
just bash it, right? So you got to the in and out. You heard me say, whoa. Finally at strike 3, you started to touch the reins a little bit, right?
Yeah.
And then got a little pissed off.
Yeah. But I think that's kind of what he needs to like rebalance.
Especially down, like
Like downhill.
coming down the hill.
Yeah.
Where are they going to be?
Yeah. You're